Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my Korean skincare. All the products that I have are Korean brands. There's like a couple, there's like two or three things that are not Korean brand, but everything I use is for my super dry skin. If you have skin like me where you're dry everywhere, like it's dull, like it's terrible, then this skincare is for you. I do this skin routine in the morning and at night every single day, and it has helped my skin so much. I did put these products together according to my skin, so if you have slightly different skin, you might have to sub out some of the products and bring other ones in, but this is just what works for my skin, and I recommend everything that I use. Yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so for this video, I have not done my skincare for a couple of days just so you can see what my natural skin like texture and dryness is. So let's zoom in. So my skin, okay, that's a little too close actually. I have super dry skin. Scar, I literally mention the Scar in every video, but Scar, she's going away, don't ignore her. But my skin is super dry. I get really dry around this area right here. I get dry in between my eyebrows, and I also get dry on my chin area. That was a little bit of a jump scare, but anyways. So the first thing I like to do is clean my eyelashes because I just had lash clusters on. My eyes get like there's just fucking glue on it. There's glue on it. So I just calm down. I just use the soap that my lash tech gave me. So also, I'm getting ready for bed, so excuse the pajamas, but forgot to say that. The first thing I do to wash my face is I use the Anua Pore Deep Cleansing. It looks like this. I get mine off of Amazon. I like to use one of these little like exfoliator scrubs to scrub my face. That way I can like really get in there and also take off a lot of the dead skin and dry skin that I have on my face. So the next thing I like to use is a vitamin C serum. I have this one, but it's kind of empty, so I also have this one. So vitamin C does help brighten your skin while also providing good hydration. The next thing I like to use is the Madeca Relief Toner. It looks like this. This also helps brighten your skin, like anti-wrinkle, things like that. It's really watery, but it's really light on your skin, so it doesn't feel like you're caking your skin up, which is great. The next thing I like to use is the Centella ampoule. This also helps keep my skin hydrated. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I know there's some people that don't like it, but for someone like me who has super dry skin, this is like gold. So the next thing I like to use is the Rhode Glazing Milk. Looks like this. I love this stuff. All the moisture that we just put on, this is what locks it in. And once you use this stuff, like as it's drying, you can literally feel it like tight in your face, and I freaking love it. I love it so much. So the next thing I use is, this went viral on TikTok, and like I know there's some people that hate it, there's some people that like it, it has mixed reviews, but I use the Snail mucin. My label is completely disintegrated for some reason. I don't know, I've had it for a while. Clearly I use it because there's like barely any in there, but I just do like 3 pumps. Like the consistency is so like, it's very like, it's not sticky, it's just like slimy in a way, but like not in a nasty way. The Snail mucin also hydrates your face, anti-aging, wrinkles, things like that. Next, I use the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. I love Peach and Lily. Like, I have almost all of their products. I don't use them every day, but this one and another one I'm going to show you, I use every day because I just love it so much. So the next thing I use is the Peach and Lily Matcha Cream. This, I freaking love this stuff. I cannot go a day without putting this on. And it's green. How cute. So this matcha pudding gives your skin a lot of antioxidants, as well as like hella moisture, because again, I have dry skin, I need the moisture, okay? So this locks in the moisture. This also puts like, it's like it like closes in all the products that you just put on your face. Literally the matcha pudding is the thickest product that I put on my face. But if you remember at the beginning of this video, my skin was super dry, super dull, flaky, all of those. This is shortly after. I should have turned the lights off when I showed you my skin before because you would have really seen the difference, but the longer you do the skin routine, the more consistent you are, the better your skin's gonna look. And you're learning from the master, because I have dry freaking skin and I've been trying to find something to combat it for years. Literally my whole life I've always had crazy dry skin, and I finally put together a skincare routine that helps you grow out. So if you got skin like me, I suggest you listen, okay? Because I'm putting you on basically. Just saying. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my skincare routine and I hope it was useful to you. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the things. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!